Hello dear friends! To fix the shake of a video in DaVinci Resolve, go to the Edit tab. Click on the video and go to the Video tab. Go to the Stabilization section. Then, according to the type of video, choose one of the available modes. Later, we will discuss the difference and application of each one with examples. Then determine its strength and click on Stabilize. In most cases, a number between 0.5 and 0.7 is enough. If you select the camera lock, DaVinci will try to stabilize the video to the point where the viewer feels like the video is being shot by a tripod. As you can see, the video zooms a little after being stabilized. By removing the zoom checkmark, the video will not be zoomed, but its corners will shake uncomfortably. Perspective mode gives you the best result in most cases, but if the scene is moving or something is moving fast in it, the perspective is in trouble. Here it's better to use Similarity mode. Translation mode is for fast videos with lots of movement in them. Compared to the previous two modes, this mode does not have much power in video stabilization, but it does its job well for fast videos such as driving or skiing. Let's compare them. As you can see, here the tree and the sky are strangely shaking and waving. But in Similarity mode, this problem does not exist. And here, because the movement is fast, the previous two modes have problems. As you can see, the video image is shaking or zooming. Also, some parts of the image are wavy. But the translation mode has almost the best result. Of course, the original video has a lot of vibration, and if the quality was better, the vibration would completely removed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.